It's good to be a part of this discussion. I'm Soumitra Wagholikar from Dynapac, India, and good to connect with the hosts from diverse backgrounds and listen to them. The topic that I've chosen for today is innovations in road construction equipment, and I would take you through how we look at it through Dynapac's lens. If you see our story, it basically starts from 1934, and we have this 90 years of expertise in paving and compaction equipment. And the products that we are rolling out today are the sixth generation products, which are basically refined through the generation of innovation. And if you see, each generation was built upon the last. And that's how today we are delivering the products which meet the highest emission standard ratings which are applicable across the globe, CEV5 being in India. And also at the same time, we are setting new benchmarks when it comes to performance, reliability, and efficiency. If you see today, Dynapac has six factories across the globe, out of which Pune factory or the India factory is the global hub for exporting a lot of equipments from outside India as well as in India. And we there make sure that all our products meet the global highest standards. So no compromise there. Moving on, today's basically topic is why innovation is critical. So as you know, the India's infrastructure story is fast developing, and we have Gati Shakti initiatives, and all our contractors today are demanding the fast pace, basically activities. They also want efficient machines and the quality results. So combination of all three is basically the innovation, which is definitely not an option today, but it has become a new standard. So we say it's a new normal or the new standard, being the innovator. So as a equipment manufacturer of road construction, we basically are involved at basically construction of road at every layer. So you can see right from compaction of the soil or the earth, right all the way up to the surface or the final asphalt layer compaction. Various equipments that are used. Basically, we make sure that we deliver value at each of these basically a step to our stakeholders. And in doing so, definitely we have to go through the innovation that is at the heart of the Dynapac's story in India. So at Dynapac here, we are driving innovation at three across three pillars. So first is efficiency, where we design machines in order to deliver the best results at the least cost of ownership. The second pillar is the intelligence, where we empower our stakeholders to make intelligent data-driven decisions, and they can also at the same time manage this fleet better. And reliability is something, with our Dynapac philosophy, we make machines that actually sustain the toughest terrain across geographies. So that comes with the innovation. So speaking of which, the first part of efficiency innovation is the smart tools like Comp-Base and PaveComp, which make sure that you select the right machine for the right job. Instead of, to give you an analogy, you don't want to select an elephant to chase a chicken. So we make sure that, if you are building a small road, you don't need a really heavy equipment. Or if you're building an expressway, you definitely need a heavier machine to make sure that your timelines are met. So that is where the tool like Combase and PaveComp help. We go to the customers and consult them on the usage of the right machine. The second step here is the machine itself, where the innovations like efficiency eccentrics bring a lot of energy savings, because whatever energy that you require at the start of the vibration gets greatly reduced by such innovative technologies such as efficiency eccentrics, and you don't need any system to run this system. It's part of the machine. So it's like, imagine a mobile phone that boots up immediately without draining the power consumption. So that's something similar to that. And the third part of this efficiency innovation is our seismic technology, which in itself, it's like, having your own compaction assistant inside of a roller that continuously monitors the frequency of the machine, matching the frequency of the machine to the basically natural frequency of the soil, so that your machine continuously performs at the optimum level and you don't waste energy beyond what is required. So these are the innovation levels at efficiency pillar. Coming to the intelligence innovation, we already have solutions like Dynalink for effective fleet management, Dynalyzer that basically manages and checks the level of compaction achieved. Also, the Dynapac's the collaboration with Trimble would also now pave the way for intelligent compaction systems through precision GPS and real-time data management system, so that the equipment itself can compact efficiently and intelligently without having the need of human intervention. So that is where we are going at. Similarly, AI for diagnostic and maintenance tools are getting integrated on a fast track basis, which can basically make the predictive maintenance prediction, so that you are not caught unawares, and your equipment basically remains always available and without needing a major overhaul. And the third point here is the BIM and GIS, so Building Information Modeling and Geographic Information System. The integration of both these can really lead to the data-driven decision making. So here, what I mean is, imagine you are building a road. It's a 3D modeling and also integrating the capabilities of your machine, and both speaking to each other. So you can simulate how you are building the road layer by layer, and simulating the compaction, how it is improving after every pass, and determining the exact number of passes. So again, you are bringing all these technologies together, making sure that you are at the top of innovation and driving what is needed, which is the fast-paced, basically results, accurate, and with minimum human intervention. Thirdly, the third pillar is the reliability, and that is where the Dynapac's basic philosophy of design to perform and build to last, that is where all our machines are basically tested and validated through the tough terrains across geographies, and we make sure that the equipment that we deliver complies with the global quality standards, and we are there truly as a partner on the road ahead for the stakeholder that we serve. Uh, Coming to the emission free world commitment of Dynapac, it's a Z era program that we run across different locations. So our goal over here is quite clear that, we want to have fossil free drive options available across 50% of our drive lines by 2030. Today, we have small tandem rollers and pavers, which already are the electric ones, and they are contributing towards our goal of emission-free road equipment. Uh, Moving on, so this is basically, you would say that as a closing remark. So that's where we are at, writing a story at Dynapac. So building smarter roads for India through innovation, which contribute to optimum performance, reliability, and meeting the quality standards that all our stakeholders are looking for. So it's building the Indian infrastructure road story together with the reliable equipment at hand. So that's a little take from my side. So that's truly your partner on the road ahead. That's the Dynapac's promise.